We're out here in the garden having a little look at wonderful wild garlic. It's really starting to bloom now, and there are so many ways to use this really beautiful wild herb. The leaves themselves are so delicious, and we love to pick them, especially when they're young and tender. And then the flowers, if you leave them until all the white little petals fall off, then you can make little tiny capers out of the little bulblets that are left behind. If you look right there, there's that one there. And they're really tasty. But what I love to do most is to pick them when they're at this stage down here. Right here. They make the most delicious capers when they're pickled in a simple pickle mix. And I'll just collect a few of these now and show you how I love to do it. Now in our area we're really lucky because these things, they actually grow locally in the local woods, little wild wonderful things. But during lockdown we couldn't actually get any. And so I decided to buy a few bulbs and have them growing in the garden, and they spread so well that I now have them in various different pots everywhere, and also some growing just wildly in random spots in the garden. But it's lovely. I can go on a little garlic hunt then and find all of the bulbs to make a little batch of these treats. So here's another pot of them. It's really full of little tiny flower buds. Perfect for picking. And here in this little area, there's also some that are just randomly shown up here. And they're right next to some chives too. It's meant to be a little bit of a herb area. Got some garlic chives too here. They're really tasty. These are regular chives. And one year I also picked these little flower buds. And they actually turned the pickling water pink. It's very pretty. I might just add a few of these to the garlic pickle itself, because it's a little bit of a different flavour. It tastes more oniony. They're obviously not garlic ones, these ones, but they're still tasty. The smell of garlic is just so wonderful, if you like garlic obviously, which I really do. And you can see over here some of my ground cover. These are wild strawberries, and they just sort of pop up everywhere. I do spread them around whenever I have a chance, whenever I dig any up. But they're so gorgeous, and they're really, really tasty, sweet little strawberries.